Green, red, or yellow? Wait, I think Frey might have been at that party. At a party like that. For real though. Wait, does Frey have nipples? Yes, he does. Yes, he does have nipples. Am I allowed to draw nipples? Hope I don't get banned for this. I should be able to. Juice, hi, Moing, how's it going? Imagine blue-haired hyenas that are in defeat. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure that's not very difficult to imagine, right? Dude, imagine blue-haired hyenas in defeat. Nope, can't think of a single one. Can you guys think of a blue-haired hyena in defeat? Not me. Hey, Skingy, how's it going? Is the blurred circle your little Twitch bypass? Wait, what are you talking about? Blurred circle? What blurred circle? Is that the new Juice lore that I'm in defeat? No. I am not in defeat. But there are a lot of other hyenas out there who are in defeat. Wait, what blurred circle? I don't know what you're talking about. Usually all the hyenas are normal colors. You'd see our real hyenas, but blue works though. On God. Dude, I love this song. I mean, I would say it's coming along quite nicely. Is that Fway and Wizrad? No. Dude, wait, I don't even, wait, which one's Wizrad? Oh, this is just like some random guy. Juice is a Thaina. Oh, banger. Juice is a Thaina. What is a Thaina? Also, can you guys enter the raffle, please? It's me and what random YCH. Yeah, is there anyone who's like kind of a deer-looking guy that you want me to add? It's YCH 1 and 2. Dude, for real, should I auction off this guy? That's fucking crazy. Draw me in the background. Should I add Donuts in the background? Donuts, would you go to a room party with naked men? I should just throw Whiskey in the back somewhere. Whiskey will be like, what the fuck? Oh, you're darn right I would. I knew it. Whiskey would be at a party that Frey's at. Probably. Whiskey Dongo. Yeah, get me Whiskey Dongo.